Meaning of impressionistic.
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 Impressionistic. The term impressionistic refers to a style or technique in art, literature, or music characterized by an emphasis on sensory impressions rather than objective reality. Impressionistic works often convey a subjective and fleeting experience of the world, capturing the momentary nature of sensations such as light, color, and sound. This style of art emerged in the late 19th century and remains influential today. The resulting works often feature loose brushwork, blurred outlines, and a luminous, atmospheric quality. They are intended to convey a sense of immediacy and emotional intensity rather than strict realism or accuracy.